Hello and welcome to another travel adventure with Sam, and today I'm in the beautiful township of Gumeracha in the Adelaide Hills, approximately 40 minutes away from Adelaide. And we're here today to have a look at this amazing structure called the Big Rocking Horse. Now, the Big Rocking Horse is a tourist attraction which is located in Gumeracha, and it was designed by a gentleman named David McIntosh. It weighs 25 tonnes and is 18 metres tall, which is 59 feet tall. It's one of the number of big things in Australia which is designed to attract the attention of passing tourists and motorists, and it's also part of a larger complex that includes not only a wooden toy factory but also a wildlife park and a cafe. The horse was actually built in 1980 at a cost of $100,000, and it is just a wonderful piece of tourism infrastructure within South Australia. If you're ever up here in the Adelaide Hills, in the beautiful Adelaide Hills, there's so many things to do up here. Lots of little quaint villages and wineries, and this is just one of the extra stops that you should do. The Big Rocking Horse in Gumeracha. So we're going to go for a little bit of a walk around. You can actually see how tall it is. It's 18 metres tall. You can climb up to the top of the wooden horse. As you can see right about there, there's a viewing platform. It costs $2 actually to go up there. And once you do complete the walk or the climb up the top, you actually get a certificate of completion, which is really cool. So there you go. So this is part of, as I said, a larger complex. You can see around here, you've got a little eating area, like a picnic area. That's the wildlife reserve over there, a little picnic area. You've got a shop up there. I think that's where the toys are made, the toy factory. They've got a cafe over here, and they've got a little undercover eating area over there as well. So this is really cool too. They've got signposts up here to tell you exactly how far you are away from various places. Let's have a look and see if we can. There you go. So what have we got here? Whyalla, 239 kilometres away. Brisbane, 1,550. So as you can see, there's quite a few places up there, and you can see how far away we are from them. When you get here, you've got a little bit of a historical marker where it tells you all about the rocking horse. It's the biggest rocking horse in the world. How cool is that? It gives you the body length, which is 10.5 metres or 34 feet, body height 2.4 metres or 8 feet, head height 6.1 metres or 20 feet. There's 3 observation platforms. One's at the rocker bows, which is 4.6 metres up, on the saddle, which is 10.7 metres up, and at the top of the head, which is 18.3 metres up. So that's pretty cool. So if you pay $2, you can go all the way up to the top, and as I said, once you've done it, you also get a certificate of completion. Well, we're not going to do that today. I just wanted to show you this beautiful part of the Adelaide Hills. You can see over there that we have a little wildlife area as well. It's really cool. We've got the car parking, plenty of car parking. It's a very, very lovely day today. It's only about 24 degrees, but it's quite a lovely day. And there's a few people out. This is a Friday, so normally this place on the weekends is a lot busier. So here we are. The biggest rocking horse in the world. So I'll see if I can get another shot of the horse, but on the other side, away from the sun. There you are. Please pay $2 entry fee in the cafe or shop. So it costs $2. All children 14 years and under must be accompanied by an adult at all times whilst on this structure. It's a $2 entry. That's pretty cheap, $2. And obviously no smoking, no food and no drink while on the structure. and it's really interesting. They've got a real they've got a miniature version of the rocking horse here. So you've got the miniature version and you got the large version, and there we are. I'll try to get them both in the same shot. There they are. Wow. So one's 18 meters tall, the other one looks to about, I don't know, 1.5 to 2 meters tall. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have a beautiful part of the Adelaide Hills that you definitely must visit if you are ever in Adelaide. Travel up to the Adelaide Hills. Not only, as I said, do they have attractions such as quaint little villages and wineries and wildlife parks and just pristine parts of the hills up here. You've also got another place you can stop at now, and that's the big rocking horse in Gumeracha, and you can get yourself a meal, a lunch, a coffee, a muffin. They've got conveniences here as well. They've got a place you can sit for a picnic outside. You've got undercover areas, wildlife park right near it. You can go and see the toy factory, wooden toy factory in operation. Plenty of parking, and it's only about 40 minutes up Gorge Road from Adelaide. So there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed this little video from Travel Adventures with Sam. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit the like button, and please feel free to share. And please subscribe to my channel, as it's free to do and it helps my channel to grow. So until next time, happy travels.